So this is a quick video about using supercaps for a drone application. So you can see here I rebuilt a drone from scratch, and I incorporated the Arduino microcontroller with the black supercap here, which is rated 2.7 volt 50 farad, and I have two MOSFETs here that swaps back between battery power and supercap power. On display here, this is the buck circuit that is taking the battery power and then bucking it down to 2.7 volt to accommodate the voltage rating of the supercap. And you can see that the buck is turning on 1 second and turning off each second. That is to show that battery power, when this is on, that means it's on battery power. When it's off, it's on an SCAP power. And you can slightly notice the difference of the fan of the rotors spinning, because this drone is actually going back and forth between battery power and supercap power. And why do this? Well, this extends the longevity of the battery by 50%, because now you're not on 100% battery power, you're actually on 50% battery power. So you're 50% supercap power, 50% battery power. This gives longevity to the battery, and also this is also called as a peak performance. So this is, the supercap is actually toggling back and forth between supercap and battery. So you can see here on the scope that this is the battery power and this is the supercap power. This is in voltage, so you can see that it's going back and forth between battery power and supercap power, and you can barely notice the distance, the difference. So I'm giving this a 1 second battery and 1 second supercap. So it's 1 second on battery power and then off, and then it's 1 second for supercap power. Now I can increase this rate through the Arduino software. I can make it half a second all the way to 1 millisecond. But I just wanted to show the you can actually hear from the rotors that the toggling of back and forth between both sources of energy. So that concludes this video. Thank you.